to today's seminar. This seminar, ladies and gentlemen, is very special to us because this is the first safety seminar that AGMA is organizing after completing 50 glorious years of existence. So, over these 5 decades, AGMA has emerged as the unified voice of the Indian gas industry, working tirelessly for the growth of our sector, while ensuring that safety, compliance and innovation remain at the forefront. Friends, AGMA has always enjoyed a close working relationship with PESO and DPIIT, and we are grateful to the Ministry of Commerce and Industry for always listening to our concerns, be it on import policies, operational challenges or trade-related issues. Our suggestions have not only been heard, but also acted upon by the government. We express our deep gratitude for that. I must also acknowledge the support extended by the Ministry of External Affairs, which must be surprised. But yes, AGMA does work with them too. The support extended by the Ministry of External Affairs and our mission abroad, and our missions, foreign missions abroad. We take these foreign missions, they take cognizance of our inputs while framing import and trade related strategies. At this juncture, I would like to touch upon a very important development. The development is that all of us know, with the recent trade tariffs being imposed on India, it has become imperative for all of us to focus on manufacturing more within India. Of course, we also recognize the practical reality. There are certain products which are not manufactured in India. We know that our Honorable PM, I think since last year, he is focusing on emphasizing that semiconductor chip manufacturing should be now happen in India. We are dependent on the import of these chips. So it is important that we start manufacturing them in India, and I think the work has already started in the state of Gujarat. So there, but for producing these semiconductor chips, we need specialty gases, some specialty gases with ultra high purity, 7 and 9 and purity, rare gases, helium, xenon, krypton, other gases which are not available in India. So, or fully wrapped carbon composite aluminum lined cylinders used by defense and aviation industry, or those products whose demand is so minimal that indigenous production is not feasible. In a way, there are some products which we are importing. We can make them in India, but India में उसकी demand इतनी नहीं है कि that somebody will invest money in the production of those products. As I said, these cylinders or even some of the specialty gases, it will happen once the volume goes up. Till the volume goes up, AGMA supports the import of all these products which are not available in India. But for others, we want, our AGMA's considered view is that such products should rightly continue to be imported, but wherever scale and expertise permit, we must strive for making India in gases and allied equipments. We, the buyers, whether the buyers should give preference to our Indian equipment manufacturers who have put money, and now they have done a lot of, they also have expertise and technology to produce world-class products. So it is important that AGMA now, going forward, will be emphasizing more on Make in India products, and so that, going forward, we have to be self-reliant and Atmanirbhar कहते हैं, we need to follow that. At the heart of all our effort lies safety. AGMA has always placed safety as a non-negotiable priority. In close cooperation with PESO, we recently launched residential training workshop for fillers, supervisors and engineers, conducted at the NAPES and TS, which is the National Testing Station at Nagpur, near Nagpur, Gondikheri. I think this is the first time a residential program happened on the gas cylinder roads. Programs होते हैं, but day programs होते हैं. But we started it 2 years back, जहाँ पे a batch of around 35 or 40 people. We were there for 3 days, and the PESO officers were there. They were there as faculty, but AGMA arranged everything, whether it was food, whether it was the faculty, whether everything was supported by PESO. And this was thank for your supervisors, fillers, engineers, and this has been a huge success. My request to all those small SMEs or MSMEs कि please हम आपके लिए ये ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं. You will be surprised इसमें ज़्यादा लोग कौन बेच रहे हैं रजिस्ट्रेशन रोड पर? Lindy, Inox, Cryo, जिनके पास in-house already safety protocols और safety systems इतने हैं, वो शायद ना भी करें तो उतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता. हमारे पास जो the smaller ones हैं, उन एक्सीडेंट्स वही होते हैं, ज़्यादा वही मरते हैं. और जब मरते हैं तो फिर मेरे को फोन आता है, सर फंस गया, तो पैसों पर बात करो. फिर मैं क्या बात करूँ, ताला लग गया तेरी कंपनी में, तो सेफ्टी पे ध्यान नहीं दे रहा भाई. और तुम्हारे लिए हम ट्रेनिंग रखते हैं, प्रोग्राम रखते हैं, तब तो तुम आते नहीं हो कि सुपरवाइजर के लिए 10,000 रुपये कौन खर्च करें. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज सब्सिडाइज्ड बाय AGMA. AGMA spends lot of money in our own kitty to organize all these things. Or the moment we talk about, the moment we announce the dates, immediately 80% of this thing is by the big companies. They take these costs. Sir, हमारा आपको ट्रेनिंग करें, हम भेजते हैं. Because once this training is done by us and the PESO officials, the chief controller gives you the certificate. It is signed with the certificate that the training program is conducted in this thing, and he issues the certificates to all those participants. So my request to all of you is safety is a prime concern and priority to AGMA. हम इतना अगर आपके लिए कर रहे हैं for the fillers and the all those technical stuff, please send your people and get them trained. Safety is very important. Please don't ignore them. आप तब जाग जाते हो जब एक्सीडेंट होता है, आप भी मर जाते हैं. Let's avoid. At least let's train our staff. Ladies and gentlemen, as we look ahead, the coming years will demand greater collaboration between industry and regulators, sharper forces on safety, and deeper commitment to self-reliance. I am confident that together, under the guidance of PESO and the Ministry of Commerce, the Indian gas industry will not only meet these challenges, but also set benchmarks for the global industry. And before I end my presidential address, I would like to say thank you to Mr. Reddy and to Surya Prakash Rao. They have worked tirelessly and they have done a wonderful job. Thank you, Siddharth, thank you, Surya. And he has been ably supported by the local, we also have the local, the local companies who are sponsored, who have been part of the supported AGMA. Usha Air Gas is there, ProGas, MAI is there, Cryo Airfield is there, RGA is there, Ravindra Group is there. I'm sorry if I missed somebody's name. But anyways, thank you so much for supporting AGMA in organizing this function. With these words, I once again welcome you all to this seminar, and I look forward to enriching deliberations that will surely emerge from today's session. Let's dedicate ourselves to building a safer, stronger, and self-reliant gas industry for India. Thank you so much.